That's him.
It is him.
So here we are live from Aylmer tonight as the hometown hero Ben Froese comes back from Ottawa with his boom truck, the one that flew the flag there for 3 weeks on Parliament Hill. Just stop the traffic. Just stop the traffic and then fine. They can wait. Just tell people to go on, just fill it up. That way it's one. So this is the welcome home for the boom truck that was at Parliament Hill, flew the flag for 3 weeks. This is in Aylmer, Ontario here for Ben Froese and his boom truck. He was able to get it released this morning and just arriving home here in Aylmer to a hero's welcome with literally hundreds and hundreds of people lining the side of the road as he rolls into Aylmer. Just tuning in, this is the welcome home for the iconic boom truck with the flag that flew over Parliament Hill for 3 weeks for the Trucker Freedom Convoy. He's just pulling into his hometown, which is also our hometown, Aylmer, Ontario. So for those just tuning in, this is a hometown welcome from Aylmer, Ontario, for our boom truck operator that was here from Aylmer, flew the flag over Parliament Hill for 3 weeks.
I think a lot of people are confused. They don't know what's going on.
Joined them, did a caravan through town a couple times. We should have done a caravan through town.
This doesn't fit. This isn't gossip. Aylmer Express can't be here.
Yeah, it's not you.
No. The Aylmer Express only shows up if there was gossip. Okay, we're going to sign off here. This is the welcome home for the boom truck operators. Ben Froese, George Hyde, that stood tall for freedom in Canada at Parliament Hill, February 2022 for the Trucker Freedom Convoy. So this is a welcome home tonight here in Aylmer, Ontario. Have a wonderful night, everybody. We're going to sign off.